what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
What's going on, beautiful people? Hope you guys are doing well. So I'm really getting into the watermelon, and I found a great combination. It tastes really, really good, and I want to share that with you guys today. It's really simple but tasty and super hydrating. Really good for summer drink. If you're just wanting to switch it up, this is what I'm doing. So I got watermelon, we have 2 lemons, and I got just a little bit of ginger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to juice this in my juicer. Now this is not an organic watermelon. Normally if it was organic, I would juice the rind, but because it's non-organic, I am going to just cut this off and then we'll juice it. And lemons, they're organic, so we're just gonna juice these as is, and we'll see what it looks like. Here is the watermelon lemon ginger detox drink. Let's try it out. Ooh, that is powerful, but so delicious. Now, the reason I choose watermelon is it's got that phytochemical lycopene, which is a very powerful antioxidant for repairing and regenerating damaged tissue, damaged cells, free radicals. So it's a very good protector, you know, for various diseases. And the lemons, they are high in vitamin C and very, very good hydration, very good cleanser of the body as well. And so the both combined is very powerful. Ginger is anti-inflammatory. So if you have any pain, inflammation, it's very good for that. And just a great summer drink to keep hydrated and keep that skin hydrated in the sun. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you try this drink, let me know how you like it. You can leave the ginger out because the ginger is quite powerful, but it just gives that extra boost and something that I like. So hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Cheers.